Zapier is an excellent automation tool that allows you to connect all the apps you use in your business and create workflows for those apps. But different apps might need data in different formats, and Zapier has a solution for that. Text Formatter, designed to make it easy for you to transform text so that it's ready to be imported into any other application without formatting issues. In this video, I will show you how to use the text formatter and why it's one of the most powerful features in Zapier. Text formatter can be added from step number 2 because it needs some input. It cannot be a part of a trigger. To add a text formatter, click on plus, add formatter by Zapier. It will ask you what is the action event. You can mention text. This could also be used for numbers. There are a few utilities available in the formatter, date and time formatting. For today, let's look into text. There are various transformations available like capitalizing a text, extracting email addresses, numbers, phone numbers, URLs, finding the substring, getting the length of the string, etc. Let's look into a few of them in this video. I'll select capitalize. It will ask for the input text. You can choose from any of the above steps or give a static text. For testing purpose, I'll give a static text. I'll click on continue. So the transformation that I've selected is capitalize and the input is my name is Ritesh. You can see that the output is capitalized. That is, first letter of each word is in capitals. Let's go to the setup action. Change the transformation to extract email address. I'll change the input and add an email address into this. I'll click on continue. Test and review. As you can see, the output is only the email address that we need from the text. Let's go to setup action. Change this to extract numbers. I'll change the text now. Click on continue. Let's test and review. The output will be the number extracted from the text. Let's look into a few more formatting options. Extract URL. My website link is. I've given the input of our website as a link. Click on continue. And click on test and review. The output will be just the link of the website from the input text. Let's look into a few more transformation. You can find a substring from the string. For example, my name is Ritesh and I am from Hubli. Now I need to get the name of the city that I am from. So what I can do is I can find the text from. If I want to skip a few initial characters, I can mention the number of characters to skip from the beginning. I'll leave it blank. I'll continue. Test and review. Now I know from starts at 26th character of the input text. You can use this output for further processing. Let's get back to see few more setup actions. We can get the length of the string by using the same method. Lowercase is just like capitalize. You can replace a text. Let's see how to do this. So here I'll replace I am from Hubli to have come from Hubli. Find I am from and replace it with I have come from. Continue. Test and review. So the output text will be my name is Ritesh and I have come from Hubli. Let's look into one more transformation. You can also use uppercase just like lowercase and capitalize. Finally, let's look into word count. This will basically give you a count of the number of words that you have in a sentence. I'll click on continue. Test and review. So we have 8 number of words in the given sentence. Now you know how easy it is to format the text using Zapier formatter. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you for watching.